Do this for your total cleansing and destruction of all negativities in your life. If you do this, if you do what I will teach you in this video, it is going to help you to destroy any form of negativity and also bring cleansing into your life, into your home, family, shop, and household. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know what you need to do in order to attract cleansing and to destroy the plans of your enemies. And as you do this, I pray that God will favor you. He will bless you and make you to prosper in every good thing you are doing. Now, before I proceed on this video, I want to let you know that this channel is mainly for prayers, success, physical and spiritual well-being tips that will help you to achieve success. So, in case if today is your first time to come across this channel, please join this channel by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Each time I upload a good content, you will get notification to watch my new upload. If things are not working for you, it may be the thing the evil ones did against you. It may be generational causes. It may also be sin, one committed, that oppose you or limit you from achieving your goal. But whatever the case may be, I want to let you know that with what I will teach you in this video and consistency on it will help you to attract cleansing or to cleanse yourself and destroy all plans of the enemies, any evil arrow, any negativity, negative vibrations, negative energies flowing to you. This will destroy them totally by the grace of God Almighty and by the power in the ingredients that I will teach you in this video. I want to let you know that success comes to those who are always success conscious. Yes, if you want to prosper in life, you need to be conscious of that particular thing you want to achieve. I want to let you know once again that before you become great in life, you must pass through many challenges. And what you are passing now is like a foundation to the next level, so that when you get what you want, you will never shake. When you get what you are targeting in life, you will never shake if there is any wind blowing. You know what I mean. Now, you need to do this prayer for total cleansing so that any negativity opposing you will be destroyed. Anyone working against you will be terminated. And this prayer will help you to destroy all the plans, evil arrow, negativity, evil projection formed by the enemies. All the weapons formed against you shall be scattered as you do this. So, what do you need to do to achieve a total cleansing and a total destruction of negativities in your life, so that you will keep progressing? You will start seeing favors in things you do. If you go to your business, you will sell very well. In fact, you will sell more than you expect. People you know will favor you, and people you don't know will also favor you. So all you need most is one powerful ingredient. What is that ingredient? You need cinnamon, especially cinnamon stick, not the powder one. No, the stick, and that stick must be dry so that you will burn it like an incense. Yes, what is the essence of incense? The essence of incense is to neutralize and destroy all the negative vibrations, all the negative energy flowing in incense will help to destroy them. The same thing is applicable with this cinnamon stick, dry one. So anytime you experience negativity, you experience blockage in your family, in your business, in your academic career, in things that make you joy, in things that you derive happiness from, there is no flow of those things into your life. Burn cinnamon stick, dry one. Burn it the way incense is being burnt. If you don't have cinnamon, burn incense. So these are the two powerful ingredients that I want to share with you in this video. If things are not working, you experience negative vibration, you experience disappointment, you need cleansing, please, if you have cinnamon stick, burn it. It will help you to clear the air, to clear the negativity, clear anything working against you, and also help you to destroy what the enemies may have bring into your life. Those negativity flowing in, negative vibrations, negative things making one to experience bad luck, disappointment, failure, obstacles. Burn cinnamon stick, because one, cinnamon stick will help you to attract favors. Cinnamon stick will help you to destroy any blockage, any limitations, anything frustrating one not to be successful in life. Cinnamon stick will help you to achieve a total cleansing. And if you need total cleansing, or maybe at the other hand, you experience monitoring spirits, something working against you, evil vibration, things are not working well, you are very confused, or in fact, you are confused in life, this can be out of sin. So if you need cleansing, you need to burn incense or cinnamon stick. If you have the two of them, join them together and burn. They will help you to expel or dispel negativities in your life. And if you don't have either incense, you can use cinnamon stick. If you have cinnamon stick, you don't have incense, you can use cinnamon. So these two will help you to achieve a total cleansing and also destroy all forms of negativity working against you. So if things are not working for you, you always experience, in fact, bad luck, generational causes, difficulties in business, things are not growing, burn these two items. They will help you to destroy and cancel negative energy flowing to you. And with this, you will start progressing. Just the same way some churches are burning incense. Yes, do the same way to burn cinnamon, because as you burn cinnamon, it will help you to manifest good things, your heart desires. It will also help you to block anything or destroy any blockage coming against you. It will also help you to make yourself holy, fortified, and be worthy to receive good luck, success, favors, and to see good things coming into your life. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I strongly believe that you get value. Please support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a good content, you will get notification of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, make sure that you comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to all your friends and families. I wish you the best. I wish you good luck. I wish you every good thing life will offer. See you in my next video. Bye.